I might be living your American dream, but I'm nowhere near where my dream is, dog. I got aspirations. I got big dreams.
Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Glenda and I'll talk about beauty, fashion, and lifestyle. And as you guys can see, we have a bare face. So I'm going to be going over some things for my everyday makeup routine, and I'm going to be using the Estee Lauder Futuristic Skin Tint. I love this stuff. I just was sent it again, so I wanted to go ahead and do an in-depth video. But we're going to jump right in. I did go ahead and already do my eyebrows. I used a Juvia's Place brow marker to go ahead and already do my eyebrows, and then I just used some concealer, my skin tone, and a little bit lighter like I normally do. You guys have seen that video before, and if you haven't, please go ahead and watch a shorts, or it's on short form. So I'm going to be using the primer with the skin tint. And this just has a little, just a tad bit of a, like a glimmer. It's not a shimmer, it's not a sheen, but it just makes your skin look so radiant. And then it's a tacky feel, so the skin tint is going to stick right on. And I'll leave the link to both of these below. Love this for every day and also in the warmer months. Okay, I'm just going to go in with my brush. You guys see that color? And I'm just going to go ahead and blend it out. If you have on a unit, make sure you get the hairline. And you guys can see, it just evened it out. It just looks so fresh. I just look fresh face, like, and then it has a little sheen in there, like a dewy look, which I like. And then you guys can see like my skin color. I haven't blended this part. So now I'm gonna go in with my concealer. When it comes to my concealer, I like to let it sit just for a minute. So I'm gonna go in with my bronzer, and all the links to the products will be below. Let me go ahead and blend this concealer out. Okay, and sometimes a lighter color can be a little scary, but just keep blending. And then I'm gonna go in and blend out my contour. Let's do this nose first. Anything looks harsh, I like to take my foundation brush and just buff the edges and buff the concealer and contour if I still see lines. And this my nose too. See that? It just blends it in a little bit better. And then so You guys can see that. Looks good. I'm gonna go in with my blush, and this is Rare Beauty Blush in Lucky. It is pigmented, so I don't use a lot of it. Brush and just blend that out. This is cream blush, which I am a fan of, because blush is a lot of times for me the first thing that starts to move on the face and like kind of leave the face. So I do put a lot on. You don't have to. And when you do it like this, for me, once I put on my powder, it just blends in so good. Sometimes I like to go, you know, ever so slightly over my eye on the edges. Just gives it a little bit more dimension. Go over my nose just a tad. And then I'm going to back under my eye with the same brush, and then I'm going to set it with my Laura Mercier powder in Translucent Honey. I really do like this powder a lot. And I'm going to use my sponge. These sponges I get from Amazon, I will leave them down below. Alright, and then I'm just going to go in and go over the blush as well, just a little bit, because this is part of my eye. The blush kind of went up, which is fine with me. So I'm just going to take it over the blush, go over my eyelid, because I am an oily gal, okay? And you guys see that? It just, girl, when you know how to blend and you learn how to blend for your face, girl, the makeup looks so good. And I made more effortless, like very chic, very clean, very, I do like my makeup to look very elegant, very classy. I don't like too much going on. You guys know I don't wear lashes, and I feel like sometimes that attracts people to my skin more. Like, I don't wear lashes, but I still have lashes. So what I'm gonna do now is go ahead and set my contour. It's like Destiny Godly's brand. If you guys don't know her, she's an OG, and I bought some stuff from her, and one of them was this. I bought like a packet of stuff before she moved out of the country. Best thing I could have done. So add a little more color from my contour back, just a little bit, just to deepen it just a tad. Then do my nose. I just use the side of the brush so I won't get my full nose and mess up my highlight. Then go right there in the front. Y'all, a chic, elegant, classy look, it would never get old. Never get old. And then you always know how to, like, if you want to add a little color to the lid for the holidays, your base is literally going to look good with everything. So for the holidays, I'll go maybe a little deeper with the contour, a little warmer blush, a little bit of shimmer on the lid. Like this base, my everyday look, I'll amp this up for any other makeup look. You gotta find your look, girl. So it's very peachy. And since this blush is so already like pinky, I like to go lighter with the blush. Especially, oh my God, it looks so good. Like, and this have like a little bit of shimmer, just like a little bit. Oh my god, it looks so good. Like, oh my god, this has like been my go-to palette. Literally, when fall comes, this Natasha Denona palette, this brown, it's like my go-to. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my brush and literally blend it in the corner in my crease. Y'all, I use eyeshadows, but I also use a lot of bronzers as eyeshadow too. But this color brown is like perfect for every day for me. Just to give it a little color, not too much, but just a little color. See that? Oh my girl, I don't know who said makeup don't be fun, but makeup is fun. Okay, it's Bobbi Brown Shimmer Brick Compact in bronze. Y'all, it's so beautiful. Like, it's literally beautiful. When I want to go a little lighter, I use the top, but I just go down and put that here. It's just a perfect highlight. Y'all see that? It's just a perfect highlight. Literally perfect. A little on the nose. Girl, I put a little on this eyelid. Just a little. Oh. Y'all, so good. So good. Okay. Y'all, I clean up as I go. Okay, so in my favorite mascara, if you haven't been following me on Instagram and TikTok, favorite Lancome. They did they big one with this. Not too much. And I feel like when you just take care of your real eyelashes, like, it's just so good. What? This little NARS lipstick has been, I was gifted this from another creator, and this for every day, girl, it fits me so good. So I'm just going in with an NYX lip liner in espresso, not overlining, just hitting that lip line. Y'all, this is the perfect nude combo. It has a little shimmer, does it? It has like a little sheen. It's not drying at all. And you guys know I have some other lippies in here from NARS. So let me go ahead and spray my face. Oh my god. Girl, I look good. Girl, I look good. Okay, hello. Hello, somebody. So let me take my hair down. Y'all, and this is the finished look. Just the everyday, very nice meetings if you work from home, going to work, running errands, and you want to look good, because girl, I like looking good when I'm outside running my errands, girl. So pop on you a little set, some earrings, a necklace, and this look, girl, it'll take you far, honey. It'll take you far. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys have any questions, please leave them down below. I'll leave all of the products down below as well, and the links to them. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
It's what you all been waiting for, ain't it? What people pay paper for, damn it, they can't stand